Start by emptying your power steering fluid reservoir. My reservoir was really dirty, so I decided to take it off and clean it. Follow one of the hoses that goes to the power steering pump and remove the clip that is holding it in place. If you can't remove the clip, you may have better luck accessing it from the bottom. I needed to replace this hose entirely, so I'm just moving it out of the way now. Remove the plastics and yeet them out of the way. Remove the AC belt by loosening this 14mm bolt. And loosening the tensioner bolt down here. Remove your power steering belt by loosening this 14mm hex nut. And loosening the tension with this 14mm bolt. You don't see my power steering belt here because I left it on the highway. Completely remove this tensioner pulley so we can access one of the bolts holding down the pump. Unclip this wire. Next, we're going to remove this banjo bolt that's bolting down one of the hoses onto the pump. It's going to be difficult to see what I'm doing down here, guys, but hopefully it gives you an idea. As you remove the banjo bolt, it will start leaking fluid, but thankfully we remembered to place our bucket underneath it. Now that we have removed that, we can unbolt the power steering pump. It is held on by 3 bolts that are here, here, and here. I was able to remove one of these 12mm ones with the impact. I got the second one with a ratchet wrench. And now remove this 14mm bolt. We are gonna need some parts from the old power steering pump, like this pipe here, held on by an 8mm bolt, and this sensor. Just karate chop it off. Your new power steering pump will come with new rubber O-rings, so remove and replace the old ones. My 8mm socket would not fit, so I had to shave the tip to be able to use it here. I had a leak in one of my power steering hoses, so the bolts were really dirty. The pump also comes with new copper washers for the banjo bolt. We can now install the pump. Thread in these two 12mm bolts to hold the pump in place. Thread in this 14mm bolt, then tighten it down. And you can now tighten these two 12mm bolts. We can now reconnect this line. Make sure you have a new copper washer on each side of the line, then tighten it down. Reconnect this plug. Install your tensioner pulley. Install your power steering belt. Install your AC belt. Tighten your tensioner pulley to spec. Bolt down the pulley. Same thing with the AC belt. Tighten the tensioner pulley, then bolt down the pulley. I can now install my replacement hose. Connect your hose to the power steering pump, and don't forget to install the clip on it. Reinstall your reservoir if you took it off to clean it. Fill up your power steering reservoir. Then turn on your car and turn the steering wheel slightly, then quickly turn it off again. Your power steering fluid should have gone down, so fill it up again. Repeat this a few times until the fluid doesn't go down anymore. This is to make sure there's no air bubbles in the system, and you're done.